Hello, I'm Samuel Perez, Security Product Manager. In this session, we're going to talk about how to optimize and secure SaaS applications. In previous chapters, we've talked about how we're optimizing the traffic to our data centers and virtual private cloud. We've also talked about how we secure and even optimize, in a certain sense, by going through the closest POP, the traffic going to the internet. Now, there's a special type of traffic, our trusted SaaS applications that we use on a day-to-day basis and that our users are heavily reliant on. Okay, you can think of your teams, you can think of Salesforce, or if you're, for example, a retailer or a restaurant, you'll think about Toast or you'll think about Square. When it comes to securing and optimizing these applications, it's all about identity, it's all about visibility, and it's all about performance, right? So the first thing, we need to identify these applications. Here, the gateways have to give us first bad classification, and they have to have not only that first bad classification, but that reputation information to ensure that we're optimizing, that we're doing local breakout for secure applications. Second, we need to ensure performance, and we're going to do that in two ways. First of all, we need to ensure we go to the closest point of presence. In this case, let's say we want to go here. How do we do that? We're going to make sure that we don't do the name resolution using our name servers that may be in a data center far, far away. We're going to use either global name servers or we're going to use ISP provider name servers for those domains, right? So we have chosen the closest node. Last, we need to monitor and we need to probe the end-to-end experience through each one of our paths. That will tell us if the complete circuit leading to an application is impacted or if the complete circuit leading to an application is performing as it should. Once we've, let's say, decided we want to take a given path, let's say ISP2, the last part will be to visualize it to confirm that we're effectively giving our users the best quality of experience. We will do so by observing the traffic, by looking at things like loss, by looking at things like latency as it traverses the network. So to recap, first thing we need to do, we need to identify and we need to assess the reputation of our traffic. That will mean that only secure applications are taking the local breakout. Next thing we'll do is get the best quality of experience. To do that, we're going to find the closest point of presence and we're going to take the best path, best end-to-end path to that closest point of presence. Lastly, we're going to be observing the traffic as it goes through the network, and we're going to be measuring how it behaves in terms of bandwidth, in terms of loss, in terms of latency. Right? That will give us the right visibility to know when things are going well or when things are not going so well. If you want to learn more, feel free to visit our website.